Watch it. Send the lick up in there. Fruits for breakfast. Well, hello there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. It's your girl Sham, and for today's video I'll be doing another camping. I'll be going to House of Judah to do a 24-hour camping with the Ganja tours. The weather is kind of beautiful right now, but it has been a little bit bipolar, so we'll see if I'm gonna continue to get this good weather on the camp, or we're gonna have a stormy camp. But stay tuned. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share the video, and leave your comment. Alright guys, finally reached the location. I was supposed to be here from about midday, but I'm almost night now, but it's not my fault, you know. Couldn't get any taxi, so I'm on the famous hillside with the... Tell me if you don't know that cabin here. You must see that cabin here on YouTube. Find the ganja.
Yes, bless and love to one and all, you know.
Scorpion brother.
Alright, sister from another mother. When a Scorpion tell us, yo, 12 o'clock, don't believe them, look for them about 6. But how you appreciate, how much you like? Let me know what you like.
I know everything good for me. I was coming expecting to see Sage. If you don't know, if you don't follow the Ganja tours, Sage is a puppy that he has that I've gotten familiar with. We all know I love Sage, but Sage is missing. So hopefully she returns home safe. And so, but yeah, so we're gonna try to stop at 10 because the time kind of cloudy now and dark, so we have to hurry up before it get too dark. Keep a night cooking or something. So yeah, stay tuned.
Some 10.
Snow check for bag.
Tight. It's a mansion. Like our 10 people.
10 people.
Yes, kings and queens. We're camping, we're camping! Oh! Oh!
Well, hello there. What do you have to say to the people? Tell them something, Ginger. Tell them to subscribe. This is Snow, guys. Hello. And this is Ashes.
Rainfall outside are good still. Oh. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Taking a lot, man. I'm literally sweating. I'm so sweaty. Welcome to my own abode.
Kings and queens, see there?
You know, offers, you know, fancy like the cabin or cozy like
No,
the
I
cabin.
want to tell you something. Move out of the cabin right now, coming at this. Yeah. Well, cozy boy, Kings and queens. I said that brush against my skin earlier today. Boy, I sleep more and drop asleep on it right away. Nice, man. I love it. Give her thanks, man. I show Sham some love. Nature walk with Sham, right?
Just took a shower and I'm about to eat some food in my car. Next, I'm gonna wait on my iPad to load so I can watch a series and eat some food and get some rest. And ready to take on the river tomorrow. Hopefully clean and pretty.
The room around there, so set one way in the kitchen. Boy,
Guys,
it's a mansion.
well already.
But now I love video people. It's a great look. It's a great feeling. This is cheese. Oh my.
So guys, I was in my bed and the wind started going crazy. So now I have to come peg it. I'm never peg the tent. No one to blow it with me. So I'll go to go peg, you know.
Yeah man, then I breeze and I play man. I have to peg it. You lick it down, man.
Yeah. Watch it. Tent a lift up in there.
Oh, I hear a little zinc one lift up in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Like a hurricane. Can you imagine?
So we pay with that door being rough. Chill out, being quite used to this, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not bad.
A barrel breeze blow up your son. Barrel breeze. Hurricane breeze.
It's storming outside. And I'm just going editing. There's a storm outside. Okay. Ganja bringing comfy blanket and cushions.
Let myself an orange.
You can just sing the prayer refrain. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So, it's day 2 of me camping on the hill off grid. And last night was so windy, like I almost think say a barrel 2.0 I have or something. the way the tint blew, as you can see in the clips from last night, how the tint blew and a beard, the tarp just a lift up off. I think it's a good thing to tied on the tarp. The wind did going crazy last night, and then the place did hot. Like, I have to turn on my fan and open the little window something here until the rain start fall. This part was good because, you know, sorry, the moonshine was so pretty last night. I wish we could get one better shot, but the camera never really have good night vision. But the moon was so pretty last night outside, the bright and windy. So for today, I never cooked last night, so I'm gonna cook today before I leave. And then go over the river a little bit, go all that fresh, and then pack up and go on. Guys, it's a lucky thing we get up last night and Peggy think, because the breeze would have blew away. Everything blew out of place. Brush my teeth. Spring water.
Plastic or calabash?
No plastic.
Alright. Yeah.
Give me the
And
packet.
a spring water, she gotta use brush her teeth and wash her face. And a normal
some
water,
for me.
it'll pour for you. Yeah. Give her thanks, man. Knock, knock.
Okay. What's your
Yeah, man, see it there.
Thank you.
I appreciate love every time. I only have one banana, so we just bust it in a half.
Yeah, man.
I only have one
Respect.
tangerine, so I bust it in a half. But full jar,
Very
yeah?
good. Thank you.
Every time.
Guys are serving fruits to me. So I'll be having fruits for breakfast. You know, orange, tangerine, and banana. Thumbs up. Guys, the rain and the wind start back. Blow down part of my tent. What's that? Okay. So guys, I didn't get any peppers at the market, so I'm gonna see if me find any pepper on the tree. This one make a green one. My hands are all stained. The rain is coming, so I'm gonna move the table and cover the stove with it so the fire don't. Oh no, go away. Nice table. So the pot is on fire, and when I finish cook, I'll go to the river, go hold a fresh. Then I'll pack up and leave. My head hurt me right now. Rain wet me. Sun burn me. Breeze blow me. See how much I go through for making vlog. But it's all worth it, guys, you know, you guys stick with me right through everything thick and thin, so the least I can do I show some consistency. When they are going to relax like while the pot a bubble. So guys, I cook and have to run to cover because the rain come down. Alright, so then they need to come off now because the sweet potato boil. So I can look those starfish baby. Guys, it's storming and I'm in the rain. Wait, take a look. So roasting I want no baked bean nice off, so I separate some for him and then add the baked bean for myself. Alright guys, so breakfast is ready. Actually lunch, because we're late now. So we have some saltfish and baked bean with sweet potatoes. And you know, so you have to put in a packy. Because you know, as a really yardie, a packy we eat out that.
Yes, aye.
But yeah.
Give her thanks, man. Big up Sam, you know. Camping, we're camping.
So I'm gonna start packing up now. And then go empty the trash, put my stuff together before I go to the river, because as you can see, I'm tired and packed down. So when I go to the river, I just want to go bed and then come pack up and go home. Tired guys. I'm gonna go by the river now, roll a fresh, and then come go home. Alright guys, so we come to the end of another video. Hope you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Your notification bell is on. Like, share, leave a comment. One more time.
Yeah man, I just want to make sure you like that video, yeah, and just share it as well. And just come over and look on I version zine. Yeah man, just watch the 2 version then, cause trust me, Sham have something, I don't even want to say nothing. Just big up to everybody, like, share and subscribe every time. Love the Ganja Tours. Yes I.